One of the biggest changes in Nvidia's business model in recent years was the company's decision to move to an annual upgrade cycle on its technology. And that created significant downstream consequences for Nvidia stock investors and Nvidia customers, which I want to talk about a little bit more in this video here. So the latest iteration of Nvidia's technology, they are calling Blackwell. And in the most recently completed quarter, Blackwell GB300 crossed over GB200 and contributed roughly 2/3 of total Blackwell revenue. The transition to GB300 has been seamless with production shipments to major cloud service providers, hyperscalers, and GPU clouds, and it's already driving their growth. Last year's technology was called the Hopper platform, and that's in its 13th quarter since inception and recorded approximately $2 billion in revenue in the most recently completed quarter. So the implications of this are several. Let me start with the difficulty in upgrading your technology annually when you're selling primarily hardware products. This goes to the research and development, the partnering with manufacturers and suppliers to bring it all together to develop this latest generation technology and ship it to customers and all have it seamlessly integrated to work well without disruption. So by moving from the previous cycle time, which was 2 years, and cutting that in half and moving up to the cycle time of 1 year, had several implications, increasing the difficulty to manage that upgrade cycle. When you're working more quickly, upgrading more quickly, every other facet of the business has to move more quickly. The conversations with suppliers, the conversations with customers, all of that has to work better than it was previously, which increases risk for investors. But then when Nvidia delivers and it goes through a cycle and it delivers and executes almost flawlessly, that goes to earn a greater degree of trust from investors. As Nvidia continues to deliver on this annual upgrade cycle, investors become more and more trusting of Nvidia's ability to execute on this annual cadence. And then from the end user perspective, from the customer perspective that's purchasing Nvidia's technology, these upgrades make it more and more likely that it delivers better value than the data centers they have that are based on CPUs. Click the link below to watch the full video.